So when we are thinking about the state, to mention the exact condition, you must know some of the properties of the system. How? Just I want to tell you, in thermodynamics, you must be knowing that where exactly your system is lying. Suppose this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay. And you are going to show the process by this particular line. Okay. Consider that here on x-axis there is a pressure, and at y-axis there is a volume. Then at this particular juncture, your pressure will be P1 and your volume will be V1. And at second point, your pressure will be P2 and your volume will be V2. It means here in this particular diagram, two states are defined. First state is state 1, where pressure is P1 and volume is V1. And second state is nothing but your P2. There pressure is P2 and volume is V2. It means to define a particular state of matter, you or particular exact condition of your working substance, you will have to define it in coordinate forms. Okay. And at least two properties are required to mention it, mention the state of that particular working substance. Okay. It is quite theoretical one, but just keep in mind कि अगर आपको आपके वर्किंग सब्सटेंस का वर्किंग सब्सटेंस की एग्जैक्ट कंडीशन डिफाइन करनी है, तो यू नीड एटलीस्ट two properties of it. Only the temperature will not be sufficient one. Why temperature is not sufficient one? Because if you are going to vary the pressure and temperature, pressure and volume, then the effect of temperature on its phase may get changed. For example, अगर आपको पता है कि what is the boiling point of the water? What is the boiling point of the water?
100 degrees Celsius.
Yes, exactly. 100 degrees centigrade. But you know the pressure cooker. Okay. At the open atmosphere, in open atmospheric condition, water can be heated up to 100 degrees centigrade itself. But when you will keep it under pressure, okay, means pressure will be increased, at that time your temperature can vary. The excellent example of it is nothing but our pressure cooker. Understand? So the another properties can affect on one property, and that's why you cannot define a state with the help of only one property. At least two properties are required, as I have shown in front of you in the pressure and volume form. Similarly, TS diagram also can be drawn, temperature and enthalpy diagram, entropy diagram. So you just for time being, you keep in mind that definition of the state and what exactly the state is. Okay, I request you write it down. State exact condition of the system, exact condition of the system, exact condition of the system, exact condition of the system is called as state of the system, state of the system, state of the system. to define state of the system, 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 at least two properties are required. At least two properties are required. Two properties are required. Two properties are required. Now, what are the properties? Here I have mentioned that two properties are required. Then we will have to see that what exactly the meaning of properties. Properties defines the characteristics of the system. Okay. Or the property is any observable or measurable characteristic of the substance. Means by observation or by measurement, you can tell that this particular working substance is under influence of that particular property. यानी कि सिलेंडर में जो गैस फिलअप किया है, it is fill up in the cylinder with most of the pressure applied. सिलेंडर में जो गैस भरा हुआ है उस पे बहुत सारा प्रेशर अप्लाइड है. तो यू कैन से बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन कि अगर आप उसको लीक करते हो तो लीक करने के बाद बहुत सी जो गैस है वो जो गैस प्रेशर से बाहर निकलती है, झट से बाहर निकलती है. सो यू कैन डिफाइन दैट that particular gas is kept in that particular area under tremendous pressure or pressure of 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar. Okay, then you can say it about the mass. अगर आपने हाथ में कुछ पैकेट लिया है, फ्रूट्स का पैकेट लिया है, then you can say that it is of the 5 kg, 3 kg, 2 kg. Okay, so you can experience it or you can measure it. अगर आपने वो तराजू में रख दिया तो आप कह सकते हैं कि ये 2 किलो है, 4 किलो है, 5 किलो है, 6 किलो है. So the properties are nothing but the characteristic of the system and it can be defined, okay, either by observation or by measurement. And the properties are subdivided into two types. Number one, intensive property, and number two, extensive property. What do you mean by intensive and what do you mean by extensive? It has very simple classification factor. Intensive property are not at all dependent on the mass. Okay, independent properties. Intensive means independent properties. These properties are not dependent on mass, means there is no any relation of the mass with this particular characteristic. Easily अगर आपको देखना है तो क्या करना है, उसका यूनिट देखना है और यूनिट में कहीं भी केजी नहीं आना चाहिए. केजी, ग्राम, ये जो मास के यूनिट हैं ये नहीं आने चाहिए और जिसमें ये यूनिट नहीं है उसे हम कह सकते हैं कि these are the intensive properties. And what do you mean by extensive properties? These extensive properties are totally dependent on the mass. Okay, means इसमें mass का जो यूनिट है वो यूनिट आपको दिखाई देगा. ओके, किलोग्राम, ग्राम, जो कुछ भी है वो आपको यहाँ दिखाई देगा. ओके, और या कि दिखाई भी नहीं दिया तो भी इन प्रॉपर्टी पे मास का जो है वो इंपैक्ट पड़ेगा. सो सच प्रॉपर्टीज आर नोन एज द एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, सो द प्रॉपर्टीज आर एक्सटेंसिव और इंटेंसिव. हाउ वी विल हैव टू actually check? This is very important. Listen carefully. The properties which are getting divided into two equal parts, such properties are called as extensive property. Okay, and the properties which cannot be divided into two equal parts, such properties can be called as the extensive property. That is one kind of the thing which you will have to keep in mind while deciding either that your properties are intensive or the extensive. Okay, so today we have studied the state, the properties, and the types of the properties. Write down properties of the system. 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 Any characteristics of the system any characteristics of the system is called as is called as property of the system. Properties of the system. Properties of system. For example, pressure, temperature, volume, etc. 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 There are two types of properties. There are two types of properties. Number one, intensive properties. Intensive properties. Intensive properties. Intensive properties and extensive properties. Intensive properties and extensive properties. Intensive properties or extensive properties. Now, intensive properties doesn't depends upon doesn't depends upon the mass, doesn't depend upon the mass. Doesn't depend upon the mass. Next is extensive properties. Extensive properties this type of property, this type of property, this type of property depends upon the mass, depends upon the mass depends upon the mass. For example, volume, energy, weight, etc. Volume, energy, weight, etc. Written. Give the heading that another way, another way, another way to find out, another way to find out that the properties are intensive or extensive, intensive or extensive, intensive or extensive. Intensive or extensive. How to decide the properties are intensive or extensive? Number one, intensive properties, intensive properties intensive properties cannot be divided, cannot be divided, cannot be divided, cannot be divided into two equal parts, two equal parts, two equal parts. Intensive properties cannot be divided into two equal parts, but extensive properties, extensive properties, extensive properties can be divided into two equal parts. Two equal parts. However, ratio of two extensive properties, ratio of two extensive property is an intensive property. Intensive property. For example, mass divided by volume, mass divided by volume is equal to क्या होता है? मास डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम,
डेंसिटी.
exactly, density, which is denoted by letter rho. Right, exactly. So this mass is extensive property, volume is also extensive property, but its ratio, mass divided by volume, is an intensive property. Okay. Similarly, volume divided by mass, क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम डिवाइडेड बाय मास. कैन एनीबडी टेल मी? किसी भी क्वांटिटी को अगर मास से डिवाइड किया तो क्या होता है? दैट विल बी योर स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम. ओके, स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम. Specific volume. Okay. So now the time is 10:49. I request you to take a break of 10 minutes and once again rejoin the lecture when I will start. Okay. Thank you very much for attending this first session. Hope the attendance will improve in second session. Don't worry, I'm not going to fetch second session more. It will be just to complete the fundamental parts of our thermodynamics. Okay. So you can take a break and then you can come. I will take attendance at second lecture. Thank you.